People want to know why it is suggested to change their clay sewer line. There's a couple of reasons, primarily because if you have a clay sewer line, it's probably 60, 70, 80 years old, and if it hasn't failed, it is going to in the near future. The second most common reason for replacing a clay sewer line is due to the integrity of the clay pipe itself. It's definitely not like extra heavy cast iron, which is commonly and most often used today. Clay sewer pipe tends to fail, easier to crumble, easier to be disturbed. As you can see in this video, this is a clay pipe. You could tell by the orange reddish color of the inner walls, and this pipe has completely failed. You could snake, water jet, you can put CO2 in this pipe, and no matter what, this pipe is not going to be cleared. You could see the debris sitting on the bottom of the pipe, which means the pipe is open and exposed at some point, and the surrounding earth has now entered this sewer line. So in theory, even if you were able to clear all this rock and debris and dirt, you're still going to have a clay sewer line with a huge hole in it. If you're aware that you have a clay sewer line, suggested get a video inspection just like this, see what it looks like. Your licensed plumber can definitely provide his experience and his professional opinion on how much time he may think you have left, and at that time could also give you a cost estimate of what it'll take to replace the clay with extra heavy cast iron pipe. Also important to note, if you have clay, it's highly suggested not to entertain a repair, also known as a partial replacement of the pipe. It's going to fail again, it's not going to last an extended period of time, and repairing a clay pipe over different periods of time is going to be considerably more expensive than if you just went ahead and replaced the entire clay sewer line with cast iron pipe at once. So in summary, if you have a clay pipe, speak to a trusted licensed plumber, get a video inspection. It shouldn't cost more than $200, $300, $400 at most, and have your licensed plumber take a look at it, analyze, share his experience, and really just get some feedback on where you currently stand and what may happen to your pipe in the near future. The last thing you want is a completely collapsed pipe and you losing the ability to use any water in your house whatsoever, which does happen often with our customers who have clay pipes.
Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all our videos in the future.